Then we'll move to the next problem. What is the next problem? Sine 3 theta minus sine theta into sine square 2 theta by sine theta plus sine 2 theta into cos theta is equal to cos x. Then we have to find the value of x. Sine 3 theta. What is the formula for sine 3 theta? 3 sine theta. So 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta minus sine theta into sine square 2 theta all by sine theta plus sine 2 theta value is 2 sine theta cos theta into cos theta. This will becomes 3 sine theta. Here we can write it, here in the place of sine square 2 theta, we can write it here only. Sine 2 theta formula is 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine square 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta whole square. That is 4 sine square theta cos square theta. 4 sine square theta cos square theta will get. So according to this, 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta minus 4 sine theta into sine square theta, sine cube theta, cos square theta, all by sine theta plus 2 sine theta, 2 sine theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Here 3 sine theta minus, out of these two terms, 4 sine cube theta we can take common, into 1 minus of plus minus, so cos square theta minus of, here it will becomes what, minus 4 sine cube theta, 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta minus sine theta. Here what is the problem? Minus sine theta into sine square 2 theta by sine theta plus sine 2 theta into cos theta. Okay. Here, according to this, minus 4 sine cube theta, if we take the common, so minus 4 sine cube theta into 1, minus of plus will becomes minus cos square theta by sine theta by taking common, will get 1 plus 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta, isn't it? Okay. Here 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta into 1 plus cos square theta by sine theta of 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Out of these terms we can take the sine theta common. By taking sine theta common, 3 minus 4 sine square theta of 1 plus cos square theta by sine theta 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Sine theta will get cancelled. 3 minus 4 sine square theta minus 4 sine square theta cos square theta, 4 sine square theta cos square theta by 1 plus 2 cos square theta. But we have to get the value of cos x. So cos x means we should convert all these terms in terms of cos. So this we can write it as 3 minus 4 into 1 minus cos square theta minus 4 into sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta into cos square theta by 1 plus 2 cos square theta. This will become 3 minus 4 plus 4 cos square theta minus 4 plus 4 cos square minus 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos square theta minus of minus plus 4 cos power 4 theta by 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Here plus 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos square theta will get cancelled, will becomes minus 1 plus 4 cos power 4 theta by 1 plus 2 cos square theta. 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Here this will becomes minus 1 plus it is 2 cos square theta whole square. 4 cos square power 4 cos power 4 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta whole square by 1 plus 2 cos square theta, isn't it? It is looking like a square. This we can write it as 2 cos square theta whole square minus 1 means 1 square we can write by 2 cos square theta plus 1. This is looking like a square minus b square, that is a plus b. 2 cos square theta plus 1 into 2 cos square theta minus 1 by 2 cos square theta plus 1. These two will get cancelled. This is equivalent to 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is given that cos x, isn't it? Which is given that 2, but we know that 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos x. Therefore, x is equal to 2 theta. X is equal to 2 theta. If you see the options, x is equal to 2 theta. So, second option is the correct option. So, we'll move to the next problem. What is given? Tan of alpha plus beta minus gamma by tan of alpha minus beta plus gamma is equal to tan gamma by tan beta, and beta is not equal to gamma. Then we have to find the value of sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma. Sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma we have to get. Now, these two fractions are given equal tan of alpha plus beta minus gamma by tan of alpha minus beta plus gamma is equal to tan gamma by tan beta. Here also we can observe that two fractions are equal. If two fractions are equal, then by componendo and dividendo we will get that is tan of alpha plus beta minus gamma plus tan of alpha minus beta plus gamma whole by tan of alpha plus beta minus gamma minus tan of alpha minus beta plus gamma is equal to tan gamma plus tan beta by tan gamma minus tan beta minus tan beta. Here, if we convert into sin and cos, we will get sin of alpha plus beta minus gamma by cos of alpha plus beta minus gamma plus sin of alpha minus beta plus gamma by cos of alpha minus beta plus gamma whole by sin of alpha plus beta minus gamma by cos of alpha plus beta minus gamma minus sin of alpha minus beta plus gamma by cos of alpha minus beta plus gamma is equal to tan gamma means sin gamma by cos gamma plus sin beta by cos beta whole by sin gamma by cos gamma minus sin beta by cos beta For this, by taking the LCM, these two values will get cancelled, so that what you will get in the numerator, listen to this, sin of alpha plus beta minus gamma into cos of alpha minus beta plus gamma plus cos of alpha plus beta minus gamma into sin of alpha minus beta plus gamma whole by, here same you will get minus, except minus in between the terms, sin of alpha plus beta minus gamma into cos of alpha minus beta plus gamma minus of cos of alpha plus beta minus gamma into sin of alpha minus beta plus gamma is equal to sin gamma cos beta plus cos gamma sin beta whole by sin gamma cos beta minus cos gamma sin beta. This will becomes sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B. That is sin of alpha plus beta minus gamma plus alpha minus beta plus gamma by sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B, alpha plus beta minus gamma minus of this minus alpha plus beta minus gamma is equal to, it is also sin of gamma plus beta by, sorry, sin of gamma plus beta by sin of gamma minus beta. Here minus gamma plus beta minus beta and plus alpha minus alpha will get cancelled, so that what you will get, sin of 2 alpha by sin of 2 beta minus 2 gamma, that is sin 2 times of beta minus gamma is equal to sin of gamma plus beta, that is beta plus gamma by sin of gamma minus beta, so we'll get like this. Now this we can write it as gamma minus of sin 2 into gamma minus alpha, so that this will become sin 2 alpha by sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin of beta minus gamma cos of beta minus gamma is equal to sin of beta plus gamma by minus sin of beta minus gamma. This sin of beta minus gamma will get cancelled, isn't it? Now, sorry, sin 2 alpha is equal to minus 2 sin times of beta plus gamma into cos of beta minus gamma. This we can write it as sin 2 alpha is equal to minus 2 sin of a plus b into cos of a minus b, sin of a plus b, that is sin of beta plus beta minus gamma is 2 beta plus sin of a minus b, that is 2 gamma. Now bringing this side, sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma is equal to 0. This is the value we have to find. Now let us see the options. 0. 0 is the first option. First option is the correct option. Okay, thank you all of you. So we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you, students. Good afternoon, students. Today we'll continue the remaining part of transformations. Okay, the next problem of this transformation is cos x plus cos y plus cos alpha is equal to 0 and sin x plus sin y plus sin alpha is equal to 0. Then what is the value of cot of x plus y by 2? We have to find cot of x plus y by 2. Here, from the first hint, what is given? The first hint, cos x plus cos y plus cos alpha is equal to 0. From this, we can write cos x plus cos y is equal to minus cos alpha, is equal to minus cos alpha. Now, we can apply the formula of a cos c plus cos d. So, what is the formula of cos c plus cos d? 2 cos of c plus d by 2 means x plus y by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that is into x minus y by 2 is equal to minus cos alpha. This is the first equation. Now use the second hint. What is the second hint is given? Sin x plus sin y plus sin alpha is equal to 0. From this we can write sin x plus sin y is equal to minus sin alpha. From this we'll get it is of the form of sin c plus sin d. Use the formula of sin c plus sin d. What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. That is 2 sin of c plus d by 2 means here x plus y by 2 to cos of c minus d by 2, here x minus y by 2 is equal to minus sin alpha. You take it as second equation. Now what we have to find? Cot of x plus y by 2. Cot of x plus y by 2. In order to get cot of x plus y by 2, it is nothing but cos of x plus y by 2 by sin of x plus y by 2. So cos of x plus y by 2 by sin of, means in the first equation we have cos of x plus y by 2. In the second equation we have sin of x plus y by 2. So if we can divide 1 by 2. So dividing 1 by 2. Dividing 1 by 2. It will becomes what? That is 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to what is given? Minus cos alpha whole by second equation. What is the second equation? We have 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to minus sin alpha. We are dividing 1 by 2. So we have to divide LHS of 1 by 2 is equal to RHS of 1 by 2. Here we can cancel 2 cos of x minus y by 2, cos of x minus y by 2, minus minus we can cancel. So that it will becomes what? Cos of x plus y by 2 by sin of x plus y by 2, which is equal to cot of x plus y by 2. It will becomes is equal to, we have in RHS we have cos alpha by sin alpha. Cos alpha by sin alpha is equal to cot alpha. Therefore, cot of x plus y by 2 is equal to cot alpha. Now, if you see the options, cot alpha is the fourth option. So, fourth option is the correct option for this. Now, we can move to the next problem. What is our next problem? If cos of theta minus a, cos theta into cos of theta plus a are in HP, then we have to find the value of cos theta into secant alpha by 2. Cos theta into secant alpha by 2. Here, cos of theta minus a, cos of theta plus a, 3 terms are in HP. if ABC are in HP, if ABC are in HP, ABC are in HP, implies what is the condition? HB means harmonic progression. What is the condition? We'll get the condition that B is equal to 2AC by A plus C. We'll get the condition if ABC are in HP. This is the important rule. If ABC are in HP, we should remember this rule. Now, see this here. According to this, cos of theta minus A into cos of theta plus A are in HP. According to this B means here B is cos theta is equal to 2AC. 2 of A means cos of theta minus A. Sorry, cos of theta minus A into C, cos of theta plus A by A plus C, that is cos of theta minus A plus cos of theta plus A. According to this condition, we will get if these three terms are in HP. Sorry. Now here cos theta, it will becomes what? Cos theta is equal to 2 times of cos of A minus B into cos of A plus B. This is of the form of cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, which is equal to cos square, which is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B, that is cos square theta minus sin square B means sin square A whole by, now this is of the form of cos theta plus cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. That is 2 cos of C plus D by 2. That is theta minus A plus theta plus A. That is theta minus A plus theta plus A, it will becomes 2 theta. 2 theta by 2 cos of A minus B by 2. That is theta minus A minus of theta minus A. That is theta will get cancelled, minus A minus 2A by 2. In cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, therefore we can write 2A by 2. Okay, we can write minus first, then afterwards we can consider. So this 2 will get cancelled. Here also we can cancel this 2 and 2. So it will becomes what? Cos square theta minus sin square A by cos theta. Cos of minus A is cos A. Cos of minus A is equal to cos A, which is equal to cos theta, which is equal to cos theta. So here now by cross multiplication what you will get? Cos theta into cos theta cos A, that is cos square theta cos A is equal to cos square theta minus sin square A. From this we can interchange these two terms. By transposing these two terms, we will get sin square A. Sin square A is equal to cos square theta minus cos square theta cos A. Cos square theta into cos A, which is equal to, sin square A. Sin square A is equal to cos square theta, by taking common we will get 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A. Here cos square theta it is. Cos square theta. By taking cos square theta common we will get 1 minus cos A. Here taking A terms in one side, that is sin square A by 1 minus cos A is equal to cos square theta. Is equal to cos square theta. Here sin A we can write it as 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 of whole square. Sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Sin square A means of whole square by 1 minus cos theta. What is the formula of 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. Therefore, 1 minus cos A will get 2 sin square A by 2. 2 sin square A by 2, which is equal to cos square theta. Which is equal to cos square theta. Here we will get 2 sines, 2 square. 2 square will becomes 4 sin square A by 2 cos square A by 2 by 2 sin square A by 2 is equal to cos square theta. Here 2 we can cancel by 2. Now sin square A by 2, sin square A by 2 will get cancelled. So cos square theta here 2 cos square A by 2 is equal to cos square theta. 2 cos square A by 2 is equal to cos square theta. Now here this will becomes 2 into 2 is equal to cos square theta by cos square A by 2. By cos square A by 2 means into secant square A by 2. So cos square theta into secant square A by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, cos theta into secant A by 2 will becomes what? Plus or minus root 2. Plus or minus root 2. This is our answer. Plus or minus root 2 is our answer. If you see the options, plus or minus root 2. Third option is the correct option. So this is the correct option. We can go to the next problem. What is the next problem? If cos sine of 1 minus sine of 10 degrees into sine 70 degrees by 2 sine 70 degrees. So here this for our convenience 1 minus 4 sine of 10 degrees sine 70 degrees whole by 2 sine 10 degrees. This we can write in the form of 4. We can write 2 times of 2 sine 70 degrees sine 10 degrees. We can express in this way. Denominator is as it is 2 sine 10 degrees. This is equal to 1 minus 2 times of 2 sine A sine B. 2 sine A sine B. It is the formula for cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. That is cos of A minus B. 70 degrees minus 10 degrees minus cos of A plus B. That is 70 degrees plus 10 degrees. Whole by 2 sine 10 degrees. This will becomes what? 1 minus 2 times of cos of 70 minus 10 is cos 60 minus cos 70 plus 10 is 80 by 2 sine 10 degrees. 2 sine 10 degrees. This will becomes 1 minus of cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus cos 80 can be written as 90 minus 10 degrees. Cos 80 can be written as 90 minus 10 degrees. Whole by 2 sine 10 degrees. Whole by 2 sine 10 degrees. This will becomes 1 minus, it is 2 times of 2 into 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2, minus of minus plus 2 cos of 90 minus theta sin theta sin 10 degrees whole by 2 sin 10 degrees. 2 2 we can cancel 2 2. Here 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin 10 degrees by 2 sin 10 degrees. Here plus 1 minus 1 we can cancel, will remain 2 sin 10 degrees by 2 sin 10 degrees. It will becomes 1 by cancelling these two terms. So 1 is the correct answer. If you see the options, our second option is the correct option. We can move to the next problem. What is our next problem? F of n is equal to 2 cos nx for all n belongs to n. Then we have to find the value of f of 1 into f of n plus 1 minus f of n. What is this value will be equal to? So in terms of f of n and in terms of f of n's only. Now what is given? F of n is equal to 2 cos of nx. 2 cos of nx for all n belongs to n. For any values of natural numbers, f of n is equal to 2 cos of nx. Now, what are the required value? We have to find f of 1 into f of n plus 1 minus f of n. First, we will find f of 1. So, f of 1, from this, what is the value of, where there is n, we have to substitute 1. So, in the place of n, by substituting 1, we will get f of 1. That is 2 cos of 1 into x is x, 2 cos x, f of 1. And f of n plus 1, f of n plus 1. F of n plus 1 is 2 cos of, in the place of n, we have to replace, n should be replaced by n plus 1. That therefore 2 cos nx will becomes 2 cos of n plus 1x for the values of f of n plus 1. F of n already we have. Therefore, we have to find the value of f of 1 into f of n plus 1 minus f of n. This is equal to f of 1 is equal to 2 cos x into f of n plus 1, that is 2 cos of into 2 cos of n plus 1 into x minus f of n. F of n is 2 cos nx. 2 cos of nx. 2 cos of nx. Now it will becomes what? 2 into 2, 4 cos of n plus 1x into cos x minus 2 cos nx minus 2 cos nx. For our convenience, this can be written as 2 times of 2 cos of n plus 1x into cos x minus of 2 cos nx. This is equal to 2 times of, it is looking like 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. That is 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos of a plus b, means n plus 1 plus 1 of x plus cos of a minus b, n plus 1 minus 1 times of x minus 2 cos nx. Here plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. That will be equal to 2 cos of n plus 1 plus 1x is n plus 2x plus cos of nx minus 2 cos nx it will becomes. If we can expand this, 2 cos of n plus 2x plus 2 cos nx minus 2 cos nx. 2 cos nx minus 2 cos nx will get cancelled. Finally we'll get 2 cos of n plus 2x. If f of x is equal to f of n is equal to 2 cos of nx, then 2 cos of n plus 2x will becomes what? F of n plus 2. It will be equal to f of n plus 2. So let us see the options for our answer. F of n plus 2. F of n plus 2 is the second option. Therefore, second option is the correct option for our question. Then we'll move to the next problem. If ABCD be the angles of a quadrilateral, ABCD is the angles of quadrilateral, then we have to find the value of tan A plus tan B plus tan C plus tan D by cot A plus cot B plus cot C plus cot D. So, let us find the value of this. Here, ABCD are the are the angles of ABCD are the angles of quadrilateral. ABCD are the angles of a quadrilateral. Then what is the condition we'll get? A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. A plus B is equal to, from this we can write 360 minus of C plus D. 360 minus of C plus D. Now let us apply tan on both sides. Let us apply tan on both sides. That is tan of A plus B is equal to tan of 360 degrees minus of C plus D. This is equal to tan of A plus B is equal to tan of 360 minus theta. It is looking like tan of 360 minus theta is minus tan theta, minus tan of C plus D. So from this hint, A, B, C, D are the angles of quadrilateral, then we'll get tan of A plus B is equal to minus tan of C plus D. Now these two are of the form of tan of A plus B formula. So I'll apply the formula. So from this we'll get tan of A plus B, which is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to minus of, it is also in the form of tan of A plus B. A and B are replaced by C and D. Therefore, it will become so tan C plus tan D by 1 minus tan C tan D. 1 minus tan C tan D. Here, now we'll cross multiply this. Here, by cross multiplying this, we'll get tan A plus tan B of 1 minus tan C tan D, 1 minus tan C tan D is equal to minus of this, minus of 1 minus tan A tan B. That will becomes what? Tan A tan B minus 1 into tan C plus tan D, into tan C plus tan D, into tan C plus tan D. We'll multiply these terms. We'll multiply these terms. It is tan A into 1 tan A plus tan B into 1 tan B, otherwise minus tan A tan B minus tan A tan C tan D plus tan B into 1 tan B minus tan B tan C tan D, tan B tan C tan D, which is equivalent to this tan A tan B tan C, tan A tan B tan C plus tan A tan B tan D, tan A tan B tan D minus tan C minus tan D. Like this we'll get. Now we'll bring all these angles, A, B, C, D, individual angles in one side. So that we'll get tan A plus tan B plus, here minus tan C we have. By transposing this side, plus tan C plus tan D is equal to, we'll get, in RHS we'll get tan A tan B tan C, tan A tan B tan C plus tan B tan C tan D by transposition plus tan B tan C tan D plus tan C tan D, here tan A tan B tan C, tan A tan B tan C plus tan B tan C tan D plus tan C tan D tan A plus tan C tan D tan A. plus tan B, tan C, tan D. We have 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got these 4 terms, isn't it? So tan B, tan C plus tan B, tan C, tan D plus tan A, tan C, tan D plus tan A, tan B, tan D. Which is equivalent to, now we'll divide. Here we multiply and divide by tan A, tan B, tan C, tan D. So we'll multiply and divide the RHS part by tan A, tan B, tan C, tan D. So that we'll get what? Tan A plus tan B plus tan C plus tan D is equal to, in RHS part, we multiply all the terms. We multiply and divide by tan A, tan B, tan C, tan D. That is tan A, tan B, tan C, tan D. We multiplied first and divide each term. Tan A, tan B, tan C by tan A, tan B, tan C, tan D. Means what? Tan A, tan B, tan C will gets cancelled. 1 by tan D will left. 1 by tan D. Plus here 1 by tan A will get. Plus 1 by tan B. 1 by tan B. Plus 1 by tan C. 1 by tan C. This will becomes tan A, tan B, tan C, tan D of 1 by tan A plus 1 by tan B plus 1 by tan C plus 1 by tan D. So 1 by tan A is nothing but cot A plus 1 by tan B cot B plus 1 by tan C cot C cot C plus 1 by tan D is cot D. Now we transpose, all these values are equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C plus tan D. This value will be equal to this LHS part. Now we transpose this part into LHS. So it will becomes what? Tan A plus tan B plus tan C plus tan D whole by transposing this side, cot A plus cot B plus cot C plus cot D will be equal to tan A, tan B, tan C, tan D. This is our answer. If you see the options, tan A plus tan B plus tan C plus tan D by cot A plus cot B plus cot C plus cot D is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C, tan D. If you see the options, the first option is the correct option. So we'll move to the